My name's Vicki Hafele, and I'm the treasurer of Duncan-Parnell.
My name is Pete Kroback, and I'm the Chief Financial Officer of Duncan-Parnell. We provide technology solutions to our customers to help them solve their problems, and we have 215 employees throughout the southeastern United States.
Duncan-Parnell started in 1946. We're a distributor of geospatial solutions, unmanned solutions, and we also are a sign and graphic company. And so the company is very diverse. We have 18 locations across the Southeast. Well, when we were looking for an ERP system, one of the big issues for us was growth. We had acquired companies. We knew we'd be acquiring a lot more. And we wanted an ERP platform that could help us scale up as we grew and we acquired companies. We started working with Epicor and implemented Prophet 21 in 2012. Prophet 21 has helped us accomplish a lot. Right off the bat, when we implemented the system, we looked at our performance and it helped us increase our margins. It took a couple years to do that, but we increased our margins about 3% over the first couple years. It helped us reduce our older inventory 50%. It helped us reduce our days outstanding for receivable from about 40 days to 30 days. All of that impacted our profitability, so it helped us improve our profitability. All of that helped us grow, which also provided opportunities for our employees because as we grew, we added more locations. Employees had 18 different places they could go to and be promoted into a job. So it made the company strong and it gave the employees opportunities.
I wasn't around when Epicor was implemented, but putting it into place was probably one of the best things that the company did. Epicor is putting into the Prophet 21 product, and it's really helped the company as we've grown, as it's allowed us to scale. The biggest benefits that we've seen from Prophet 21 is when we've acquired companies over the years, it's allowed us to easily add them into the ERP system, to put their data in there, and to continue on without having a hiccup.
There are several Prophet 21 Epicor solutions we're working with right now, but the one that really excites me that is new is the Automation Studio. Growth is a big part of our mission for the company, and as you grow, you really have to carefully manage your resources. So Automation Studio is allowing us to automate our back-end processes so that not as much time is required on behalf of the employees. In fact, the hours we've saved and some of the things we've done are amazing. And the employees, I can tell you, are very, very happy because they don't have to spend weeks doing things that are very monotonous, repetitive, and they can spend that time on other matters that are advancing our mission to grow.
So our biggest challenges as we continue to grow are just needing more time, not having enough people, and with the technology that Epicor is investing in to help automate, use artificial intelligence, it's going to help us to maintain the same amount of people in our back office as we continue to grow pretty aggressively. The relationship with Epicor is fantastic. I think the thing I like the most is the fact that I can send an email to an executive or to somebody on the leadership team or their product management team, and they respond pretty quickly to you, and they listen to you, they take your advice, your input, and you can see them try to put that to work in the software. One of the values that you don't see in the sales process when you're looking at moving towards Epicor is the Epicor community, and that's the employees and how long they've been with the company and how appreciative they are to work with you and listen to you.